Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to make your text shorter using the Journal app and its built-in AI function. So just open your text you would like to work with and click on this AI button where you can find Make Shorter option. Tap on it and wait a few seconds. Here you can see that my text became shorter. I can copy it or I can regenerate it, but it's most useful to add it to the page and replace the original one by deleting that and putting it in its place. I hope it will be useful for you and have a nice day.